Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Ayan na, nag-shower na kami ng mga coins. Guys, hindi na namin na-videohan. Happy New Year, everyone! Kami lang na Emma. Happy New Year! Ampat. Yay! Ayaw namin ng fireworks. Pag brave na daw siya, saka daw siya magpa-fireworks. Right, Emman?
That was bubble work.
Yes, a bubble work. Oh my God, everybody is... Ayan. Ayan.
Firework
Oh my God.
is a firework instead of
Oh.
a firework.
Malayo. Up! Malayo dito sa amin yung nagpa-fireworks. Hindi namin makita. Ayan. Wala kaming makita dito. Ayan. Naririnig lang. Oh. Narinig niyo ba, guys? Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
I can shake it. I can shake it. Happy New Year.
Go, go, go. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Yay!
Happy New Year.
Yay!
Yeah.
Yay! Oh my God! Oh my God! Ingay pa. Grabe, ang lalakas ng mga fireworks nila, guys. Kami wala. Kami lang na eh. Yay!
Yes.
Di ba nakikita sa video yung bubbles? Doon ka lang, apply ka doon. Yay! Yay! Wow! Happy New Year! You say Happy New Year! Jump, jump ka ng madami! Jump ka, dali, jump! Yes, jump! Jump ka para tumakad ka pa! Jump, dali! Yes, yes! Happy New Year kami ni Eman, guys. Yun lamang po. Yes. Okay.
There's one more bubble. Pop it and you'll be new. Yeah.
Yes.
Even the bubble gum is. Even the bubbles are new. Look, it's Spider-Man.
Yes. Are you happy? Yeah.
Dude, what are those? Like,
Hello guys. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. Ayan, kaming dalawa. Nakikinig lang kami. Pakinggan nyo lahat na yan. Grabe, doon talaga sa part na yun. Sa kabilang barangay na yan na naririnig namin. Wala namang bahay dyan eh. Ayan, sa kabilang barangay na yan. Grabe. Ang bubongga ng kanilang mga fireworks.
inside,
Ha?
they're gonna make
What?
a shockwave
Ah, shh.
so loud you'll become deaf. Instantly.
Okay.
So we need shelter.
We need shelter.
I swear if the lizard steals all the coins.
What? What did you say?
I swear if the lizard steals all the coins.
What?
Like 2 hours
Ay!
ago, my lizard. Hey! You just stepped on it! Please tell me it's not broken.
It's like sabon.
Wait.
Ah.
Wait! Just do some. Spider-Man, you're mine.
Hawakan mo nga anak yun muna. Hawakan mo muna yung bibig ko. Please, ipapatong ko tong Ayan. Alisin mo na po yun.
cover them up.
Okay.
Yes! Now I have even more.
Ayan, papasok na daw siya guys kasi natatakot. Scared na siya sa mga sumasabog. Ayan.
Mommy, are they launching?
No, of course not. They're just what we call this. They're just making their bicycles, their motorcycles, their whatever they have there in their house, just to sound for the new year. Okay, it's taboy the bad spirits in their houses. That's why. Okay, you understand that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why there's so many big booms there?
Oh.
Like that.
Oh, it's fine. It's their way of celebrating New Year.
Really good.
Okay, ayan, nag-shower na kami ng mga coins, guys. At mamumulot niyan si Eman tomorrow.
I'm not getting all of these.
Oh my God. So what are we going to do with that?
Let the lizard do all the chores.
What did you say?
Well, a lizard stole one of my trash.
Oh, a
And
lizard?
and ate it.
Oh, and then, so what do you want to do
So
now?
I think he will eat the rest.
The coins? Can the lizard eat the coin?
I don't know.
You don't want to pick it up for mommy?
So there's basically 234.
Maybe tomorrow we can do that, okay?
Yeah, 234.
That's 234.
Or maybe less. Like 104.
Oh my God.
Or maybe more.
Yeah.
Like 185.
Yes. Okay. So, ito na po guys ang aming handa ngayong New Year. Meron tayong leche flan. Meron tayong macaroni
They
pasta.
are so loud.
Bigay ni Ma'am Abigail yan. Tapos, ito naman din ang mga fruits natin. At ito ang ating mga chocolates. At ito ang bawas na syempre na ano nga ito? Tinutungang native na chicken na binigay ni Lola. Ayan siya. Syempre masarap. Kaya konting-konti na lang ang natira. Ayan, meron din tayo. Ay my God. Carbonara. Ayan, meron din tayo dito. Bigay lang yan lahat ni Ma'am Abigail, guys. Ayan, meron tayo dito. Mababash na naman. Ayan, macaroni salad. Siyempre, bigay lang yan ni Ma'am Abigail. Oo, kaya I am so grateful to, have Abigail in my life because, yes, ayun na. Kung wala si Abigail, wala kaming panghanda ngayon. Ayan, meron tayo dito ito, fresh na, I don't know what we call that, the lumpia, of course, and the barbecue. Ayan, and gumawa din ako syempre ng, ano to, ayan, eto, Graham. So, yun guys, yan lang ang ating for today's ganap sa pagsalubong ng aming bagong taon together with kami lang, oh my God, tumutunog ang ref. Ayun, na kami lang ni Eman. At syempre naman, masaya naman kaming dalawa na kami lang. Okay? Thank you so much mga ka-explorer. Maraming salamat sa panunood. Happy New Year! Welcome 2026 with positive vibes lang mga ka-explore. Bawal na ngayon ang mga bawal na tayo mag negative. 2026 na, magbago na tayong lahat, guys. Goodbye!